Yo, what's going on, guys? What is going on today? It is your boy CG, and we are back with another session of some great TA. Today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of diving into specifically Ethereum and Bitcoin, we know what's already going on with that. We're just riding out the wave on those, right? We're seeing, these slight crashes with Ethereum. Like I said, creating that stronger wave and stronger momentum by crashing into these EMAs. Um, and so, we don't got to worry about that long term play with Ethereum unless you're planning on day trading it, which you can. Be very smart about it. 98% of people fail at day trading. If you know what you're doing, I don't expect my audience that watches this to understand that on a deeper level. But what we are going to talk about today, guys, is Get. All right, Get protocol. Okay, up 21% today. Um, Previous all-time high 10 was $10 back in April 1st. Still down 50%, obviously, since then. Um, the market cap, very small, 79 mil, or yeah, 79 mil. With a trading volume, 1.7 mil. So great trading volume, fairly small market cap, ranked 397 right now in market cap. Um, why Get, right? This is 0.00004% of the market cap. Literally has no relevance in terms of market cap. But why Get? Okay. So with Get, the Get protocol offers a blockchain based smart ticketing solution that can be used by everybody who needs to issue tickets, NFTs, in an honest and transparent way. Okay? So when I think about Get, right? Control primary and secondary ticket market, secure and transparent, plug and play with SDK, protect your fans, right? The Get protocol approach to event finance. Okay? So, when I think about football, basketball, sporting events, just attending any kind of event, conferences, whatever it may be, right? People often tend to buy tickets, and then, you always have those people that resell it, right? You have the people that resell it. So, if people get on the NFT train with understanding how NFTs work, where you can buy up the NFT and you can resell it, right? You can get a bounce back of profit every time that ticket is resold. So there's really no harm to any, major, you know, sporting industries such as the NBA or the NFL, or really anybody that plans on selling tickets. There's really no drawback. So as long as the network is secure within within the NFTs, right? And that's essentially what the blockchain is built for, is to provide the utmost security and privacy, for everyone utilizing the blockchain. All right. So imagine Mark Cuban, right? And then also like the Kings, right? They've already been accepting Bitcoin as payment, right? As payment. But imagine, right? Now eyeing blockchain for ticket sales. So as long as it could be safe and trusted by fans. So this is all just speculation. But if Mark Cuban or, let's see, where's the Kings, the Sacramento Kings, Vivek Ranadive. I don't even know how to pronounce that right, but the Sacramento Kings was the first to adopt Bitcoin. Because he was already a software billionaire back in 2014, so he already understood what was going to be happening in the future of cryptocurrency and just understanding, you know, technology, right? So if there's a way that these guys, right, can adopt this, because this is the way that I essentially look at Get is the Eventbrite of ticket sales. Like everybody uses Eventbrite, right, to handle ticket sales. Um, and you're literally just taking the NFTs and you're able to distribute the amount that you want to be distributed on the blockchain. And then every time, and if at any time somebody were to want to resell, right, like the owner is going to be getting a kickback regardless. The owner or the organization is going to be able to get a kickback regardless of, if people are buying and selling, buying and reselling, right? So if you buy a ticket for $100 and then, say I can't attend the event, or you have, this person on the street trying to, sell you this ticket, right, for $150 when they bought it for 100, boom, right? That's going to trigger, the resale, right, of the NFT, and then you get the royalty. The ownership or the organization is going to be able to get a royalty kickback on every time that NFT is sold and resold. And this is why Get is extremely viable as a long-term play, right? Think about five, maybe within the next couple years, maybe 2 years, 5 years. Um, Get has only been around since 2017. We've already seen it, increase about 40. I think it said 40,000% on CoinGecko. Um, since the very inception point. And look at this, guys. Like, even if you had just gotten in earlier, within the past 3 weeks, 20 days, it's gone up 280%, right? Something is going on. Something is going on. And the thing is that in the long term, right, this bull run that we're looking at, look at pushing past these EMAs, um, in the long run, right, pushing past these EMAs, pushing past previous resistances. This one has literally nothing because it's so brand new. Sorry, that was the monthly. So yeah, looking at the weekly, we're testing off of this 20 EMA right here on the weekly. If we continue to break through this, right, and we start getting up here to this $5 level, gonna be clear selling all the way up to 10, probably past that. And like I said, this is a long-term play. It's $3 now, $4 now. I got it in at about two something, $3. Um, just within the past couple days, made about 46%. And this is what you guys are missing out on if you haven't gone in. Like I said, this is all personal opinion, guys. But do your own research. Find out what it is that you guys want to be getting into in terms of long-term plays, because you know there's great use case in a lot of these coins, and that's why I say secure quality altcoins. Secure quality altcoins right now, right? And in the long term, you have nothing to worry about, right? You're gonna see these micro dips, right? Just take a look at Ethereum real quick. You're gonna see these micro dips, right? On these run ups. You're gonna see these micro dips. We've been testing off this level, this 20 EMA, and like I said, it's just creating for a stronger push to the upside. As long as we don't break down completely from here, we've flipped this 2800 support or resistance to a support, right? By maintaining above this level on the weekly and on the daily. And so if we can continue to push past these levels, it's a great sign for the entire market. It's not just for Ethereum, not just for Bitcoin, but the entire market. And you're able to see that, right, with Get, right? When you have these small cap coins, these low cap, smaller coins, right? When people catch on to it, right? This is 397 in terms of market cap. If this were to ever get to top 5, right? Because it has great use case, right? People are already using it. Um, it's smart tickets, like literally everyday use, right? Whenever you attend an event, whenever you go to a sporting event, anywhere that you go that requires tickets, you know, this is a long term play, right? If people catch on to this, and so you're gonna continue to see these micro dips, guys. Don't worry, right? Don't worry. If we start to see things start to collapse, you can set stop losses. If we start to see these breakdowns, if this is, if you believe that this is a bull trap, but the thing is that we haven't rode above these levels for this long, this extended period of time, um, since back in April, May, right? Um, but you can set stop losses, take profits on these micro dips if you believe in yourself. But in the off chance that we see a green dildo to the top, you miss out on everything, right? That's just personal opinion. Everything that I say is all personal opinion, but definitely, 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 kind of seeing this little micro M shape actually. So maybe maybe this might be a slight um, push to the bottom, or to the bottom from here. But like I said, long term plays, guys. We've seen Ethereum go from $80, as low as $80, all the way up to $4,000, right? And so, if you have any question as to whether or not crypto is going to be here in the long term, right? Think about the people that got in Bitcoin at 39 cents, right, at inception. And now it's, at its peak it was 70,000. Even now, right? They're still freaking rolling in multi, millions of dollars, right? Um because you have to think about what's going to happen in the long term, right? You can trade even while it's going up. Um, not a bad idea, right? Because you can steal these profits. Say if you were able to catch this break right here, you're able to save yourself 7%, almost 8%, right? Um, you know, right here, you're able to save yourself like 12%. You're able to save yourself a lot of money, if you have the time, to really be looking into the market and knowing exactly or predicting exactly what's going to happen next, right? But like I said, if we see this dildo to the top, right? If we see this dildo and we surpass this 3,500 level, that we see on the daily and the weekly, right? If we see this 3,500 level here, um, if we break through that, there's nothing stopping us from going to 4K from there, and then after that, there's really, nothing holding us back from there. It's gonna be a long-term play, guys. Long-term play. Like I said, do what you want to do. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but secure yourself some quality altcoins that are going to be, you know, springing up from the bottom. Started from the bottom. Now we're here. Let's get it. All right. Hope you guys have another wonderful Tuesday. I'll be back tomorrow. Best of luck in all of your financial endeavors. Let's get this money. All right. CG out. God bless.